How is it going, guys? Hopefully the beginning of your week has gotten off to a great start. We're halfway through. It's Wednesday. It's Wheel Wednesday, and we are almost to Memorial Day weekend. A nice 3-day weekend that all of us are probably waiting for. And to celebrate, I'm gonna try and save you guys a little bit of money. So from today until the end of the 31st, which is Memorial Day, you can save 10% off Advan, Ambit, Enkei, Graham Lights, Option Lab, SSR, Volk Racing, Apex Race Parts, Weds Sports, and XXR wheels. 10% off, no code necessary. These are already marked down. Most of you guys know that we usually don't discount wheels, so this is huge. If you guys are waiting to pick up a set of new wheels for your car, now is the time to do so to save yourself a little bit of money. On top of that, we're also going to be doing 10% off FTspeed, OLM, GCS, RSP, and Carbon Reproductions products that are currently in stock. Again, no code necessary. And then a few other promotions. Racing products are 10% off through the 31st. Super Pro products are 20% off until the 31st. And then starting tomorrow until the 31st, AFE products are 10 to 16% off. Again, all of these do not require any sort of code. All the prices are already marked down. And to make things even more enticing, I'm gonna be giving away 2 $50 gift cards. So if you order from today, anytime from today until the end of the month, all you need to do is comment down below with your order number, and then I will randomly select 2 of you guys or gals and announce the winner in next month's new products video. And that is pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update and help you guys save a little bit of money. So hopefully the rest of your week goes well and you have a nice and safe holiday weekend. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.